Well, except for radio setup and the Powerbox setup, the Mamba120 is finished. So I just wanted to show kind of what's been done so far. First of all, I got the CG checked. CG is 4 and I believe, what is it, 4.5? Let me just see here. Yeah, 4.5 inches aft from the leading edge of the bottom wing. So I went back in here 4.5. It's right where the, it's basically right where the wing tube is. Did a CG check. It worked out absolutely perfect with the batteries right near the power box. So that's good. I've got a bunch of decals on. Some of the decals came with the Mamba. This one here, this one here, a couple here, Flex, the little Kiki sign here, the Potenza one, that one there. I added a few more just to balance it out. These ones are, these decals are not like vinyl. They're like a clear plastic printed. So I used the soap and water trick with a squeegee so that you don't get any air bubbles and you don't see any fingerprints. Works out perfect. It's kind of like almost like a wet application. So it turned out really, really good. You can't see the clear plastic in here because of all the clear plastic that's here. So not as good as vinyl, but if you put it on the way they say in the manual with the soap and water trick, it works just perfect. So I got that on. I made up a desert aircraft decal. I still want to make up a powered by DA120 here. And I'll make up a decal right here with my name on it. Maybe a couple other little ones, nothing major though. So this is how everything turned out. So there's the Powerbox, the new SRS. I've got two Gens Ace 3500 2S's that go in here. All of my wires go in from here. I've got two receivers, the GPS module for my gain compensation, and I am just waiting for Thunderbolt for the iGyro SAT, which will plug in here for the gyro for this. There's the new screen. Super cool. And the switch for it, which is a lot nicer than that big, huge, black, bulky thing, so that's nice. I'll do, once I'm setting this up, I'll do another video of this. But yeah, nice. Everything worked out really good. CG was bang on that 4.5 with the batteries here. I just got to tie these wires back a little bit so that they don't come anywhere close to the exhausts. I've got my fuel fill. So yeah, good to go. Just radio programming and that Powerbox setup to go. So here is the A700s and the AA700s. So I got the AA700s in, AA700s are in the elevator, and then A700s are on the 4 ailerons and the rudder. And you can see, like, I haven't even set up my sub trims or anything. This is just first time I've really had the system working here. So here's elevator. The elevators go so far down that they touch. I'll have to watch that. Anyways. So there's that. And ailerons. Oh, sorry, rudder. And ailerons. Should be fun. Can't wait. So be a little bit of a pause now because I'm waiting on that iGyro sat before I can do Powerbox and do the programming. It's now minus 15 or so. But when it gets warm, I'll probably take this out and put it on the pegs out in the driveway and get the DA120 going.